Cover, hook, go. The Gladiator Mesh Tarp is every truck owner's best friend. It is designed to easily and safely secure any load. The Gladiator Mesh Tarp is built with a heavy-duty ripstop mesh fabric that will not snag on your cargo and is tangle-free. This net reduces your frustration and makes covering your load quick and easy. The Gladiator Mesh Tarp is the perfect choice for landscapers and homeowners who want a quick and easy way to safely secure their load. The Gladiator Mesh Tarp comes complete with 4 attachment hardware straps and storage bag. Available in different sizes to fit all truck and trailer beds. With a certified working load limit of 500 pounds, the Gladiator Mesh Tarp has you covered. For more information and additional attachment hardware options, go to gladiatorcargonet.com. Get your cargo safely covered today. Gladiator Cargo Net. Cover, hook, go.